Hey folks, today I would like to go over Robinhood markets. Also, ticker is HOOD. A lot of you guys has been asking me about what is going on with the hood. You guys are obviously concerned since your entry is up here and price action has came back down all the way here. How easily it has been losing the level. So that is completely valid. That's why I'm going to share my opinion on this. What are the entry levels that I'm looking for on hood and what will be pricing targets that ultimately I would like to see in coming years here. All right, so the most number one thing here to look at is what it has been doing from last couple days. Looks like it has been consolidating and it kept rejecting of this one particular price level that I have marked, which is 84.92. You can see it tried to break out of it, failed and did a gap down, and now it has been just consolidating here. If you can notice, there is a support band here, which is the price action almost come to $100, 100.50. You can see price action always bounces off this particular stock. It has bounced off before, did an all-time high. There is almost a three tops that price action did. And then eventually there was a profit taking and price action went back down to one of these levels. Now, I do think this is a very good area to at least get the entry into, but regardless of that, I would like price action to somewhat head back down and see 66.81. I think that would be a very good entry zone. And then the worst case scenario, price action coming back down to 57.26 because that is has been one of the mark level here. Previously, if price action come back down all the way there, I'm pretty sure we will get a nice daily oversold situation here, which we got recently, and we could have, you guys could have taken some profit in a short term for at least 2-3 days, but this is the stock that I'm looking to hold in the long term. If you look at the monthly, we still have a red dot on a monthly. That means profit taken and price action is still heading back down. I would like price action to somewhat go down a little bit more to marked level, which is like 54 or almost around that $55 range. That will give us a nice area for smart money to move in. We will get a nice green dot here. That way you can also look at weekly how it is almost done with its downtrend. I would like to see price action doing one last push to the downside to one of these levels, and then we should be good for entry here. You can see even on a MACD and bottom here, this red dot price action has came all the way down here, and we should be getting a green signal very soon for the entry. With that being said, I still think this is a good area to enter and accumulate if price action goes back down to one of these level here, which is $55 or 56, close to that. In terms of pricing targets, I definitely want to see price action. The very first milestone would be this band here. I would like to see 100.55, 100.50, close to that. That is where I will probably scale out and look to lock in some gains there, at least the original investment, if it's possible. And then after that, I would like price action to come back all the way up here, which is 139. I am very ambitious on this particular stock, so my pricing targets in the future are all the way up here. I still think that ultimately I want to see 229.35. That is my target. More than that, there is still 283, 284, and then ultimately 318. That will be my yearly targets. I definitely think this stock has a beautiful potential to take us all the way back up here. It's a beautiful platform, beginner friendly platform. Unfortunately, because of the news, crypto, and a lot of other factors in the finance sector, that has been affecting this particular stock. But I really like that it's consolidating. If you want to know what my entry and exits are for the hood, feel free to join the Discord and reach out with any tickers, any stocks that you would like me to review. Thank you.